Remember when I was supposed to go into Kingston campus, and as I said in my video, I never had, we never had any money. We never had anything, and I never remember anything about the Kingston campus, that you have to spend 2 years in Mandeville campus, Manchester, and then you'd spend another 2 years in the Kingston campus. And at that time, I never really had any money, but I had 2 uniforms, and that was good for me. I had a 3rd uniform, because I was like, putting on a little bit of a weight. But I remember a lot of times when my shoes was... it wasn't the best shoes, and sometimes the director of nursing would be like, Stacy, that shoes is not appropriate, and it's something that is appropriate, but pity they don't know that I don't have any money to buy anything else. Sometimes you have to be cutting out the cardboard and put it in the shoes, so that way your foot bottom don't look too dirty, or the stocking don't look too dirty, because sometimes you're walking and the back of your shoes, because you're wearing white stocking and you're wearing white shoes, you can see the red dirt on the stocking at the back, because the bottom of your shoes is lifting out, or the insole probably gone, and you have to put in paper, and by the time you look, you're walking on top of the cardboard paper, and because of constant wear and tear, what happens? You have a little hole peeping through, and so you're walking on stone sometimes. I remember those days, but a lot of times I just replace the cardboard and put in a new one. I never complain about it, because when I'm going to complain about it and go and tell my mommy that I need a new shoes, and what is going to happen? Nothing is going to happen about it, because I know she don't have any money, and she know that she don't have any money. So you just have to make the best of what you have. The outer aspect of the shoes look okay. You just try not to fold your foot too much, because if you fold your foot and somebody's sitting behind you in class and see that they see a big hole in the back of, the bottom of your shoes, they're probably gonna laugh and probably gonna say something to you, and you're gonna be like, okay, just laugh it off and continue on the merry way. The good thing about us in Jamaica, we don't really look at that as being bullying, because you can see somebody with no foot and be like, 1 foot, and the person just respond normal and go on about their merry way. So that was a good thing about it. People not there bullying you, because if that was the case, I tell you, a lot of things that we do to sustain ourselves, then probably people would be, intimidated, or people would feel bad, or a lot of mental issues would have been happening with those persons, where, who would have known what the end result is. But I am so happy that, I've learned the hard way, because now I come to appreciate life, the little things, a little bit more, because of what I've been through. And that is just something that keeps me motivated.